So I'm at Precision Dynamics right now, and they just installed, or they're currently installing, the charge pipe and TiAL blow-off valve. The blow-off valve I got from redline360.com. So if you're looking for a TiAL blow-off valve, you should definitely check out their website because they have a huge selection of colors. Usually when you order from like a kit with the charge pipe and blow-off valve together, you just get like a black one, or you don't get to choose your colors. So I decided to go with silver or polished because I think it looks best with my color theme. So they're installing that now, and then I'll also be installing the Aero front lip. Alright, here's the finished result of the fitting. We had to drill a 1/4 inch fitting for the vacuum line, so the blow-off valve actually works well. Now I'm sitting online at Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna get myself my first meal of the day, even though it's 6 p.m. I haven't had a single thing, so I'm starving. But the install went well, and I have the Aero bumper, or the Aero lip rather, on the bumper. And then I also took off my my front license plate and like the cover that was on there because it looked really bad. So I had to take that off. I will show you the new look of the front end, and then I'll also include some sound clips of the blow-off valve. It's a lot louder than stock. I mean, that's pretty obvious, but yeah, the TiAL sounds really good. I'd recommend it if anyone's looking for a blow-off valve that's really good quality and just makes a solid noise. I've heard the Turbo Smart is actually a little bit louder. That's what they told me at the shop. Maybe that's in the works down the road if I ever want a louder blow-off valve, but for now this is perfect for me. My car is pretty quiet since it just has catless downpipes, so very happy with it. Alright, it's the following day from the other day that I filmed me getting the blow-off valve and charge pipe. My lip actually already fell off of the car. I hit something last night going like 80 miles an hour on the freeway, and the lip is nowhere to be seen. So right now I'm gonna have Spencer film and get a few clips of the blow-off valve.
What's up guys, Spencer Burke here, over here at the Burke headquarters, about to film a video of Parker's new BOV. I rode it last night, it sounds pretty cool. Shush. My phone.
Oh, is that your phone?
Oh shit, there's a bunch of... Is that someone's food?
Yeah.
It's like Chinese food.
It's like Panda Express. See you later.
Threw out like a whole order. Oh shit.